In a surprising turn of events, President Donald Trump made a bold announcement regarding a ceasefire between Israel and Iran, marking the end of a 12-day war in the Middle East. The announcement came through his social media channels as President Donald Trump, in his usual confident and direct style, shared that a ceasefire had been agreed upon between Iran and Israel. According to Trump, both sides had reached an agreement to halt hostilities after 12 days of intense fighting. The ceasefire would last for 12 hours, after which both parties would consider the war officially over. Further, Trump stated that Iran will initiate the ceasefire first, followed by Israel, resulting in a complete cessation of hostilities within the next 24 hours. He also urged both countries to remain peaceful and respectful during the overlapping ceasefire windows, and further congratulated both nations, Israel and Iran, for agreeing to this ceasefire, and even extended his gratitude to the world, praising how the conflict, which could have lasted for years, was finally coming to an end before it escalated into something even more destructive. This comes hours after Iran launched 6 ballistic missiles targeting the Al Udeid air base in Qatar, a major US military installation in West Asia. The US said no casualties were reported. However, there was no immediate confirmation from either Israel or Iran on the ceasefire agreement, and the details of the proposed agreement remained unclear. Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi stated that no ceasefire agreement currently exists with Israel. However, he added that Iran would stop its military response if Israel ceased its attacks by 4 a.m. local time. Meanwhile, as the controversy unfolded, US Vice President J.D. Vance also weighed in on the issue. Vance proudly stated that the mission to eliminate Iran's nuclear capabilities had been successful without endangering any American lives. He added that the ceasefire should not be seen as a green light for Iran to resume its nuclear ambitions, and that the world needed to remain vigilant. While Vance expressed hope that Iran would not try to pursue nuclear weapons in the future, his statement reinforced the idea that despite the ceasefire, the underlying issues between Israel, Iran and the US were far from resolved. Overall, Trump's announcement may have captured the world's attention for a moment, but it is the diplomatic efforts in the days ahead that will truly shape the future of the region. What are your views on this? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.